In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Spaceship domain to Netlify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Netlify to add your Spaceship registered domain and start the verification process. Begin in your Netlify dashboard. Make sure you're signed in and you can see your list of projects. If you have a lot of sites, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the one you want to connect. Type a few letters of the site name, then select the correct project from the results to open its overview page. With the site open, head to Domain Management. You'll find it in the Site Settings area. This is where Netlify lets you control custom domains, subdomains, and DNS for the selected site. It's the right place whenever you want to point an external domain at a Netlify site. Next, choose Add a Domain. Netlify gives you two paths here. You can buy a brand new domain directly through Netlify, or you can use a domain you already own. Since the goal is to connect a domain registered at Spaceship, pick Add a Domain you already own. This tells Netlify that your domain lives with another provider and that you plan to point it to this site. You'll now see a field to enter your custom domain or subdomain. Type the exact domain you want to use, like example.com, or a subdomain such as blogexample.com. Take a moment to double-check spelling, make sure you're using the correct top-level domain, and avoid extra spaces or characters. If you're planning to use a subdomain, confirm it's the one you actually want visitors to land on. When you're confident it's correct, click Verify. Netlify will quickly look up the domain and prepare the connection flow for you. At this stage, it's normal for Netlify to indicate what it needs in order to complete the connection, and you may see guidance tailored to domains managed outside Netlify. That's expected when your registrar is Spaceship. A couple of quick tips while you're here. If verification doesn't proceed, recheck the domain for typos and make sure it isn't already attached to another site. If you entered a subdomain, confirm you included the subdomain prefix. And remember that domain changes on the internet can take time to propagate, so even when everything is set, it might not be instant. That's the process. Open your site in Netlify, go to Domain Management, add a domain, choose to use one you already own, enter your Spaceship domain or subdomain, and click Verify. You've now initiated the connection, and you can follow the on-screen guidance to finish from here.